How to enable or disable Show My Caller ID on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down. And in here, we tap on Apps. Then we scroll down and tap on Phone. After that, we scroll down to the Calls section and then tap on Show My Caller ID. In here, tap on Show My Caller ID toggle button to turn off or switch it on. If you switch this off, and then when you make a call to another number, it will not show your phone number. And that's it. Why don't you give it a try and try to make a call, and you will notice that your phone number will not be displaying on the other device or on your friend's device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.